Target CEO Brian Cornell has stepped down after 11 years at the retailer, as the company faces declining sales and backlash to its shift in focus on diversity and inclusion, DEI. New York, Target CEO Brian Cornell is leaving after 11 years as the company struggles with slumping sales and controversy over its decision to abandon DEI initiatives. While some analysts believe an outsider could lead the company forward, Cornell opted to appoint Michael Fiddelke, Target's current chief operating officer, who previously worked as an intern and has been with the company for 20 years. Fiddelke was chosen from a strong list of candidates, Cornell said, emphasizing his suitability for leading the business back to growth. Cornell took over in 2014, revitalizing Target's strategy by focusing on store remodels and strengthening its online presence to compete with Amazon. However, the company has faced significant setbacks, partly due to its own strategic missteps, such as reduced home goods and clothing purchases and intense competition from Walmart, Amazon, and Costco. Target reported a third straight quarter decline in sales, with shares falling 10% in pre-market trading. The S&P 500 ranks TGT among the worst-performing companies this year, reflecting investor concerns about needing a new direction. Analysts criticized the board for selecting an insider who helped shape the company's current strategy, noting that Target, which once thrived by adapting to consumer needs, now lacks its ability to deliver effectively. Over the past 3 years, Target has retracted its DEI initiatives, though it acknowledged the move hurt sales. The decision angered supporters of diversity and inclusion, prompting customer protests online and calls from Anne and Lucy Dayton, the daughters of one of Target's co-founders, who described the actions as a betrayal. Rev. Jamal Bryant highlighted how customers felt targeted and were driven to explore other options. Despite these challenges, Target has managed to navigate tariffs and reduce costs, raising prices as a last resort. The company has also shifted merchandise selections to mitigate tariff impacts, highlighting efforts to appeal to a broader audience and invest in technology. Fun 101 is an initiative aimed at leveraging current trends for electronics and home goods. Analysts remain divided on whether Target's issues can be resolved through incremental changes or drastic reforms. While Fiddelke outlined plans to improve merchandise offerings and enhance store appeal, analysts caution that the long-term outlook remains uncertain, with peers facing similar challenges.